Today, I'm coming at you guys live with one of the most important videos that you'll ever see on Shopify Dropshipping. You absolutely have to do this before launching any dropshipping store, or actually, matter of fact, any e-commerce business out there in general. There's no reason at all that you shouldn't be doing this because you'll be completely dodging a whole bunch of problems that might come later down the line. I've literally seen individuals doing way bigger numbers than I ever have, like 30, 40, 50K a day, go all the way down to $0 a day in some cases, and that's simply because they don't use the advice that I'm about to give in this video. It is literally a solution that will take you 5 seconds to do right when you launch your Facebook ads page, and it's extremely important. So I'm going to cut this video as short as possible. It's probably going to be the shortest video on my channel, and I'm going to give it to you guys straight. But if any of you guys could please do me one huge favor, if you want to see more simple tip videos just like this one that are absolutely so crucial to dropshipping and e-commerce as a whole, then be sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Also, if you didn't know and you are brand new to this channel, in about a week or so, I'll be announcing the winners of my free mentorship giveaway. So if you're interested in learning from me one-on-one and how I've been able to scale multiple stores to high 5 figures every single month, then be sure to comment down dropshipping in the comment section below and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and also leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out. Anyways, as most of you guys know, when you actually start your Facebook business manager, you'll actually have to make your own Facebook brand page if you plan on running any Facebook ads in general. And a huge thing that changed way back in the day that a lot of people overlooked was that Facebook actually started dishing out all these surveys to all your prior customers, and the default set time frame was actually set within 2 weeks of them actually purchasing from you. The straight way of putting it is this is essentially Facebook's way of validating whether your business is a scam or not. But if you're actually fulfilling your orders from AliExpress and are just starting off, obviously your customers will not get the product they ordered within a 2-week time frame. So I hope you could see where this is essentially going to be a problem if you're just drop shipping from the get-go. There's so many things that can just go wrong, such as your supplier possibly falling through and it takes a few days to lock in another one. Maybe your shipping worldwide takes sometimes longer to receive in certain areas than others. You pretty much get the point. These are big hurdles that you'll eventually run into down the road. So in hindsight, it's always smart to prepare yourself for the worst, and keep in mind, Facebook literally gives you the option to do this. And at this current point in time, dropshipping is still allowed on Facebook. This is not just some sketchy trick or tactic. So if I actually pull you guys into my computer right now, just make your way to facebook.com/ad/customer_feedback, and it's actually going to bring you to this page. So pretty much all you need to do is scroll down, set your delivery speed here just by clicking this button. And as you guys can see, the default on this page is actually 4 weeks, but you can actually set this up to 9 weeks in advance. So essentially the survey will get sent out in less than or equal to 9 weeks. And guys, that's literally it. That's the simple tip. This just saved you a whole bunch of time, a whole bunch of headaches. And once again, I recommend all businesses, whether you're dropshipping or not, to do this because you never know what can go wrong. As long as you're confident in the quality of your product, there's no reason you shouldn't set it to anywhere less than 8 weeks, especially if you're a new business just starting out. You have no idea what could happen down the line. And literally there's absolutely no repercussions for doing this. And once again, it's not some sketchy trick or tactic. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Comment down #dropshipping if you're interested in getting a one-on-one mentorship from me for 100% free. Also, if you guys like these short videos with just simple little tips, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. These videos are super easy to produce. And if you guys could let me know how much you liked it just by, either liking or disliking the video, I would really, really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, peace.